I ain't here for noise, I ain't here for games. I'm asking one question, and I want a real answer. What if it was your blood, your child, your daughter, standing in the middle of shame and pain? Would you still stay silent?
You sit there talking, laughing like it's all okay, while a young girl's life gets torn away. Private picture, secrets so like dirt in the street. A broken soul crying while you stay in your seat. You can't hide behind silence, can't wash your hands clean. Around me standing right in between. What if it was your daughter? Face on a screen torn apart by slaughter.
What if it was your daughter? Face on a screen torn apart by slaughter. Her tears falling like rain in the dark, while a man plays God with a cold black heart. Would you stand up, would you fight back, or turn your head and stay on that track? Tell me now, don't lie,
Don't bother.
what if it was your daughter? What if it was your daughter?
You out here playing games with lives, breaking souls, cutting deep like knives. Blackmail chains wrapped tight around fear, and the world stays quiet, don't wanna hear. You got daughters and nieces, blood in your veins, but you act like you don't feel that pain. You cheer, you laugh, you look away, but karma, don't forget, she finds her way.
Every silence speaks, every moment counts. Truth don't hide, it always comes out.
What if it was your daughter?
What if it was your daughter? Her dignity stripped, her soul getting slaughtered, her voice buried under shame and lies, while evil walks free in plain disguise. Would you rise up, would you take a stand, or shake that devil's hand? Answer me now. No cover, no armor. What if it was your daughter?
You don't feel it till it hits your home, till that pain cuts straight to the bone. It ain't just gossip, it ain't no game. It's a lifetime scar, a lifetime shame. So I'm calling you out, yeah, I'm saying it clear. If you stand with wrong, you're part of the fear. What if it was your daughter? Your daughter. What if it was your daughter? Crying for help but nobody taught her how to fight when the world turns cold and the truth gets buried, never told. Would you protect or would you defend?
Or let that darkness win again? Look in the mirror, go farther.
What if it was your daughter? What if it was your daughter?
Think about it. Don't wait till it's too late. Because one day, it just might be.